What's going on, everybody? It's Zendo, you know, and this is Sequoia. Videos and photos don't do justice. Mark my territory. Alright, that's good. Car packed up, day 2. Hold on. Where's we going?
We're going to Sequoia.
Sequoia. That's how long it's gonna take to get there. We on the way though.
Yeah.
Yup. We got a gas station in the middle of the forest. What's the elevation looking like now?
7,000.
7,000 in the air. Follow me one more time. You see where we at? Sequoia! You see these trees in the background? These are legendary trees. Legendary, I mean, the beauty is crazy here. Tune in for greatness. Here we go. I gotta show you how big these trees are. Look at how big this is. That goes, I don't know how high in the air. We're gonna go inside our tree. Look at this. Wow. You know what this feels like? Where we're at? Narnia. Or the bridge to Terabithia. We took our own trail trying to find this destination. Let me just show y'all. Let me zoom out. Let me just show y'all what it looks like. Nobody's around. Lost, no food. We got some water. No, we have food too. I'm hearing some rattling in the bushes and stuff. Echo! This is like some Game of Thrones. The wall. The mighty wall.